Hello, Jason here, and in the next few minutes I just want to talk to you about septic tank prices. So which are the best septic tanks for the best price? Well, basically it's really simple, right? There's two types of septic tanks on the market. There's onion-shaped septic tanks or bottle-shaped septic tanks, whatever you want to call them. That's a typical general name. And there's bullet-shaped septic tanks. They're called a bullet because they look like a bullet and they've got ribs on like so. So I thought I'd just really quickly show you what the total cost will be for you to buy an onion tank compared to, so if I put versus there, a bullet-shaped kind of style septic tank. So let's start with the onion tank first, right? Now, these are generally more popular because, right, they're cheaper to buy. So typically it will cost you about typically 700 quid, right, plus the VAT for an onion-shaped septic tank. And so how much will it cost you for a bullet-shaped septic tank? Well, it cost you about £800 for a bullet-shaped septic tank. Oh, plus the VAT. So you're probably thinking already, brilliant, I'm going to go down to the builders merchants and get myself an onion tank. But hold on, hold your horses. Haven't finished, right? Have a look at this, right? So that's the tank to buy. And that's the tank there to buy. So installation now. Now, these tanks are big tanks, right? So you're talking about at least 12 foot tall, right? 12 foot in height. Because of that, you need a big digger. You need something like a 5-ton or a 7-ton digger. Now, they are going to cost you at least about 350 quid, right, to hire, plus the VAT for the week, right? These bullet-shaped septic tanks are half the height. In fact, they're like 1.4 meters tall, right? So you only need a small digger to do so. So typically the digger will cost you about £220 plus the VAT for the week. Materials to install either. Well, you have to concrete these onion tanks in. Otherwise, the manufacturer null and voids the warranty. Now, this is nuts. Anyway, let me just get straight to this. So typically it'll cost you at least, right? At least, I'm being really liberal with the figures here. It costs you about 800 quid plus the VAT for the concrete. With these, they don't need concreting, right? They just need granular backfill like sand or shingle. So it'll cost you typically, you need about 5 ton with that. So let me get my thing out. So let's say it's £45 a ton times 5 equals, there you go, 225 quid. Right, plus the VAT. So, soakaway now. Every septic tank needs is a soakaway. Now, with these, you've got to put a massive mother of a herringbone system in, right? And that means that you need pipes, you need shingle, 13, 15 ton of shingle, dum-de-dum-de-dum, and they're like the size, half the size of a football field, or the size of a football field. Typically, the soakaway is going to cost you something like at least 1,500 quid plus the VAT for the materials for this. Soakaway for the bullet-shaped septic tank, at the most, you're going to use something like drainage field crates or easy drain, something like that with that. It's going to cost you, man alive. Okay, let's say it's going to cost you 700 quid, all right? Okay, so time to install, right, one of these tanks. The time takes about a week. Because time to install takes about a week because you've got to put the concrete around it, you've got to let it set. It takes even 3 or 4 days to do the drainage field. In fact, probably take a week and a half, but I'll put a week there. Time to install the bullet-shaped septic tank and the soakaway will literally take you, man alive, 3 hours. All in from start to finish, right? All in. Oh yeah, and I forgot, with these onion-shaped septic tanks, you also need, before you put the concrete blanket around them, you've got to put something called an anchor. So it's like a belt and braces. So you've got like braces around the tank, and at the bottom there's like a lintel. Now you have to use that, otherwise the tank pops up. Now that puts another, I think they're about 400 quid, something like that. And that's it. Okay, let's just stay there for now. So let me just add this column up here, right, for you now. So you've got 400 quid for the anchor. You've got 700 quid for the tank. You've got 350 quid for the digger. You've got 800 quid for the concrete. Plus you've got 1,500 quid for the soakaway, so times the VAT, so that's coming out, right? That's coming out, right? Get this, that's coming out at £4,500, and that's just erring on the side of caution, right? So it's crazy, right? I know this £700 tank that they've had on offer at the Burton Builders Merchants for £699, and you're like, yeah, you pay out, like you're paying out another flaming 3,700 quid on top of that. All right, let me add the bullet tank up. So you got 800 quid for the tank, you've got 220 for the shingle, you've got 700 quid for the soakaway, and you've got 225 for the digger. So times 1.2. So there you go. So you've got, so here it is going to cost you 2,334. All right, so you can see the difference there. Basically half the price. So yes, you've paid 100 quid more up front for the tank, but overall, by the time you've installed it, which takes 3 hours, it's only cost you £2,500. This has taken you a week to do. It's taken a week and a half to do, right? And it's cost you twice as much with 100 times more effort and labour. And that's without any labour costs, without any flipping, getting the labour in. That's without getting the dumper trucks in to ferry all the flipping shingle everywhere. I used to put these in for a living. When these came out about 5-6 years ago, they changed the life of every septic tank installer. So if you're considering a septic tank, right, seriously consider getting yourself a bullet-shaped septic tank for the reasons that I've stated there. All right, I hope that's helped. If you'd like to see more free septic tank tips and free advice, and just go to Septic Tank TV, type that into Google. That's my YouTube Septic Tank TV channel, or you can go to septictank.co.uk. If you subscribe, right, to my Septic Tank TV channel, you'll be in with a chance to win a free septic tank and soakaway kit. That's the tank, that's all the soakaway, and I think they cost something like, right, 1,499 for the whole lot, right? And so all you've got to do is find the gravel and get your digger. So listen, once again, thanks for watching. You stay safe, you take care, and I'll speak to you soon.